Amari, can you tell us about your dots? Tell us something. How many red dots do you have? Count them. Count your red dots. May I help you? All right, let me see. Ready? Let's use our finger and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has 5 red dots. And how many yellow? What are you going to say? 1 and 2 yellow dots. Nice job. Let's see, Matthew, tell us about yours. 5 yellow dots and 2 red dots. Is that what you told us? Absolutely, very nice. Let's see, one more person. Oh, tell us about, sorry, I was trying to count. Alicia. Alyssa? Alicia.